How to turn off display ads in Google Ads. So I'm going to be walking you through how to do that. If you're running a campaign and maybe you're spending money on things you don't want to, or maybe you're just looking for a setting, I'm going to show you how to do that on the computer right now. So first of all, you're going to sign into your Google account. Your Google Ads account is going to look similar to what I'm looking at right here. Then you're going to go over to the left where it says campaigns, and then you're going to select campaigns. It's going to drop down. You're going to select campaigns again, and then you are going to find the campaign that you are wanting to make the changes to. So if you're wanting to get rid of those display ads and you're wanting to streamline some of your efficiency and you want to try to reduce some of your spend, where you're going to go is you're going to click this little gear icon next to that campaign right here, edit settings, and then you are going to select networks. So you have the display network, you have the search network. This one right here, the display network, yours is going to be selected by default most likely. So you are going to deselect that. So it might say, don't miss the opportunity to get additional conversions at a similar or lower cost with just one click. In my experience, typically it's more about the thing that it's above that. It says easier way to get additional conversions with similar or lower costs than search with unused search budget. What I've seen it do is I don't get a lot more conversions, but I do use the unused portion of my search budget. So typically for me, it's not the best. If you don't have a product that is very eye-catching, maybe you're providing an accounting service or something like that, this is something that you're probably not going to want to do. But maybe if you do home renovations, it might be something that you might want to do just because you have a little bit more of a visual element there that could get people's attention more. So the other thing, the search network, you can choose this. If you're really trying to streamline your budget though, I wouldn't choose either one of these. I would just focus with your search campaign and leaving these both checked off. So hopefully this is helpful for you. If it is, make sure to leave a like so you see another one of these videos when you are looking for another problem. But if this doesn't solve your problem, or if you have a bunch of more problems, let me know, put it in the comments, let me know what you need, and I'll try to answer those for you. Or if you want one-on-one time with me, there's a link in my description, in my bio, and you can set up a time with me directly, and we can walk through some things that you might be having issues with. So this has been Isaac with Bell Media. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great rest of your day.